Hello! Today I'll show you how I made a cute little performance chart for my son's class using our Learn to Draw drawings of a cute little girl and boy. A performance chart is a chart used by the class teacher to mark the good and the naughty things the kids are doing in their class so that it encourages the kids for good behavior. They can give stars into 2 columns given in the performance chart for each term. So I started by using 2 chart papers, green and blue. On top of the green chart paper, I stuck a piece of the blue chart paper in a design like waves to write the main heading. After that, I used a yellow chart paper to write the main details like names and all the other things. To decorate, I drew a rainbow to stick it on the top, and of course, I learned to draw drawings of girl and boy, which can be stuck on the 2 sides like this. You can cut out the drawings, leaving a little space in the edges to make it look like a sticker. Also, I stuck the drawings in a way that it's not fully inside the chart paper to give it a special effect. Then you can write the headings of whatever the chart is about, and you can even use glitter pens to decorate them. I stuck a cardboard under the drawing so that it doesn't get damaged while we take it to the classroom. I mainly used a stapler to attach the chart papers together, and I also used a double-side tape to attach the other elements of the chart. Hope you liked this video. Please share it among your friends if you liked it. Bye.